How to change password in OANDA? First of all, open your browser and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Profile Settings. From the drop-down, select Password Management. Here you will see the option to manage your OANDA profile password. Click on the Reset Password button. You will then receive instructions in your registered email to reset your password. Open your email inbox and click the reset link sent by OANDA. Enter your new password, confirm it, and make sure it is strong and secure. It's always a good idea to choose a password that is unique and not used on any other platforms. Changing your password regularly also helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Now you know how to change your password in OANDA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.